Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money channel. So I can't believe this thing is being dragged out some more. If you guys are not looking at the screen, this tweet here from XRP Crypto Wolf, that's at XRP Crypto Wolf on Twitter, a group of XRP investors filed an amendment complaint against Ripple, arguing that XRP is an unregistered security under the SEC's guidance. Ripple has until September 19th to respond to this new filing. So guys, this has been going on for over a year now, I believe. I believe it's been about a year, if not over a year. And here's the article here. XRP investors file new complaint against Ripple. So a group of XRP investors have filed an amendment complaint against Ripple, arguing that the company's tokens are unregistered securities under the SEC's guidance. The complaint filed on August 5th is the latest addition to a year-old lawsuit against Ripple, although this time the plaintiffs are citing the SEC's newly released Framework for Investment Contract Analysis of Digital Assets and are seeking to define XRP as an unlawful, unregistered security under the framework. The new filing also claims that Ripple violated California's false advertising and unfair competition laws by allegedly blurring differences between Ripple's enterprise solutions and XRP to further drive demand, and by paying exchanges to list XRP, limiting the supply of XRP to drive demand, among other things. Ripple has until September 19th to respond to this new filing. And guys, this is just hogwash. The plaintiffs are asking for a class action lawsuit, so technically any XRP investor could jump onto this. But realistically, this is garbage. Recently, Ripple has been very clear, not even recently, within the last year or so, Ripple's been very clear that XRP and Ripple are two different things. Brad Garlinghouse comes out to say this all the time, that, XRP should not be deemed a security because even if Ripple were not to exist tomorrow, XRP and the XRPL will continue to exist in the future, and that's because there are so many other people using XRP to build on, and it's not just Ripple. Sure, Ripple does have a lot of XRP locked up in escrow, but it's not a security. It doesn't mean you own any part of the company. Brad Garlinghouse has made this clear, and I thought by now this would be clear. Obviously, this is from a year ago, so a lot of disgruntled investors crying about their investment going down in 2018. Well, guys, I've got news for you. It wasn't just you. Anybody who didn't get out of their cryptocurrency positions at the beginning of 2018 or the end of 2017 likely are seeing losses today. That's not to say that we won't see new all-time highs coming up, maybe in a year, maybe in two, but it could even be in the next few months. Who knows? Nobody has a crystal ball, but boy, wouldn't we just all love to have one of those? We got to keep paying attention to the crypto market and seeing how Bitcoin is affecting those prices. So all this talk about XRP being linked to Ripple so inextricably, and yet we see this as well from A&B Crypto. Ripple takes a step towards decentralization as it sees a significant fall in its dUNL. So, Ripple is undoubtedly one of the largest firms in the crypto space today. The San Francisco-based exchange has been stung by a lot of criticism recently. Absolutely it has. One of those things is the validators. Let me just jump down to here. Ripple's bone of contention has been the transactions on its network that need to be verified by a list of approved unique nodes. However, in Ripple's latest efforts towards decentralization, the San Francisco-based firm has reduced its default unique nodes list, dUNLs or dUNLs, I don't know, is that how it's pronounced? A ratio which currently stands at 21.2%. So we see here a pie graph, 79% are non-Ripple validators. There are 33 in the dUNL. Out of the 7 are Ripple validators, while non-Ripple validators account for 26, 25 independent and 1 unknown, i.e. 78.8% at press time. As depicted in the following chart, the non-Ripple validators count has been on the rise since June 2018 and has exhibited significant growth pattern in the inclusion of new players in the scene. And so guys, here's a line graph depicting this. From November 2017 till about May 2018, there was a huge dominance of Ripple validators, and then you can see by June 2018 onward, the green represents non-Ripple validators, and so you guys can see that number has just grown steadily until today, and it will keep growing. More people coming online, becoming validators. So the non-Ripple validator list includes BitTrue, BitThomp, BitSo, and BlockDaemon, among others. The development was announced by XRP Research Center on Twitter with the tweet reading, August 12, 2019 Decentralization Update. Validators operated by BitTrue Official and BlockDaemon have been included to the dUNL and have now a greater responsibility in the consensus process. Ripple has reduced its dUNL share to 21%. So guys, it is not controlling the majority of XRP if you didn't get that already. XRP is decentralized. It is not centralized. Brad Garlinghouse hitting this point home. And you know, something maybe that these class action freaks need to understand. We got more news here from the Daily Hodl. This regarding XRP Trading Frozen on crypto exchange Beaxy after price drop to 11 cents. Whoa, that would scare the crap out of me if I saw that. All of a sudden, XRP dropping to 11 cents from 29. The cryptocurrency exchange Beaxy has stopped all trading of the digital asset XRP after experiencing a burst of unusually high volume activity. The exchange's order book was apparently hit with a succession of sell orders that brought the price of XRP from around 31 cents down to 11 cents. Nefarious play at work? Quite possibly. Let's keep reading. According to an announcement, withdrawals are also frozen and an investigation is now underway. We recently, and this is a quote from them, we recently experienced unusual high volume activity on XRP-BTC. As a result and precaution, we are temporarily halting all trading activity and withdrawals across the exchange as we investigate. Additionally, we will credit any funds misappropriated during this time. The process will take some time to complete. Bear with us. During this time, the exchange will be open, but activities will be frozen as we work on reverting to the previous state. So Beaxy was built in collaboration with OneMarketData, a software provider of tick data management and analytics for financial institutions. According to the firm, the trading platform delivers transaction speeds on par with traditional exchanges. Beaxy is bringing legacy finance, speed, power, and sophistication to crypto for the first time. With 225,000 transactions per second per pair, comparable to NASDAQ and faster than anything else in crypto, Beaxy is setting itself apart from the competition. The company launched its spot exchange on June 11th. After thwarting an attempt hack back in May, the exchange says one of its employees was hit with a SIM swap attack, but the hackers were unable to steal any user data or funds. So Beaxy has had hacker attacks before. Maybe there's a vendetta against the actual exchange itself. Who knows? One of their employees was attacked with a SIM card swap, so maybe it's somebody trying to glean data from Beaxy, an inside job perhaps, a disgruntled employee. Guys, this is wild speculation, but if you saw XRP go down from 31 to 11 cents in a matter of seconds, I'm assuming this is as long as this took, wouldn't you just be petrified if you were trading on Beaxy? Always go with reputable exchanges, guys. That's not to say that this can't happen to anyone. I feel badly for these guys and I hope they sort it out soon. This from Investment Perspectives at Backup Bradley on Twitter. Posting this link to Walmart and MoneyGram's money transfer service website. And at KingBlue_XRP did a screen grab of it, and I'm just going to bring it up here. So this is from Walmart's website with MoneyGram, Walmart to World. It's their money transfer program powered by MoneyGram. And what it's essentially saying is that transfer fees are now going to be lower. And we all know why that is, guys. Because it runs on Ripple, competitive exchange rates, and new low fees for international money transfer. Everyone wins. See the reduced fees now. So there is a reduced fee schedule here, sent up to $50 for $4, $51 to $1,000 for $8, $1,001 to $2,500 for $16. I don't know what the fees were before, but I have heard in the past people paying up to $30 to send $200 via Western Union. And so what is this going to mean, guys? The domino effect has begun. Now that MoneyGram runs on Ripple, we are going to start seeing a lot more of this. Now Walmart, the head of the pack, using MoneyGram services to transfer money worldwide with Ripple technology. How long will it really take before Western Union falls in line? You know, competitors can't keep charging high fees for very long before their customers jump ship and go to their competitor. In this case, it'll be MoneyGram or any other company that decides to run on Ripple. The reason is because they can keep these service fees very low. And ultimately what I think is that when they see that Walmart is charging $4, $8, and $16 for those specific price points, the companies that do decide to eventually run on Ripple will probably stay in line with those prices, and it'll almost be like service fee price fixing, I'm assuming. Nobody will want to charge more or less, even though we do know Ripple transactions will actually cost fractions of pennies to transfer. And so guys, this is the new frontier. This is the way we're going to transfer money in the future, and we're already seeing it with the Walmart, MoneyGram, Ripple partnership. That's just my opinion, but I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.